Hello guys, and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to aim in Kingdom Come Deliverance. Every time you use your bow, you can earn XP which gradually increases your bow skill level. The higher your level, the less sway your bow will have, making it easier to aim accurately. Firstly, open the player menu in your game. Then in the player menu, select Combat to access your combat skills. Find the bow skill under Combat and click on it. Then expand the bow info to view your current XP, level, and any stats related to your bow skill, including sway reduction. By continuously using your bow, you'll level up over time, improving your control and reducing sway, which will make you aim easier. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.